Okay, everybody, what do you see here? Happy birthday. Yeah, happy birthday. All right, so let's think about this one. Can you read it, please?
What activities do people do on birthdays?
So, like on birthdays, what activities do people do? Go to the pagodas and then we give presents and then take photos. We take photos also, and then for some people you have your friends, right? What do you do? We give present to our friends. Let's say this is our birthday, so we treat our friends, right? So you can say I treat my friends on my birthday. Okay, so you treat your friends. Do you say feed? No, we don't say feed. We say treat. Number one.
What's your birthday?
Yeah, when is your birthday? So how do you answer? My birthday is on. You gotta say the next one. So how do you spend your birthday? What do you do? For me, I usually spend my birthday with my students. Like we eat something in the class. But mostly I'm not free on my birthday. Yes. Number three.
What do you do on your last birthday?
So I want you to discuss the three questions with your friends. Beside, please ask your friend. For here, you can talk like this. You two, and you two. Ready? Can you read it, please? Jeremy.
Talking about the party. This is a complete conversation. You will hear the conversation twice.
You will hear the conversation twice. Huh? So this is Kate's birthday party. And how old will she be? Kate will be
17 years old.
She will be 17 years old. See? Very fit. Yeah. Huh? What? Oh, very fit. Yeah. Yeah, you're really great looking. So look here. You can see like when's a birthday and what time is a birthday. And then where is she going to?
Hello?
Hi, Jeremy. It's Kate. I'm going to have a party next week. Would you like to come to it?
A party? That's great. What's it for?
It's my birthday on Wednesday. I'm going to be 17.
Next Friday. Okay, and what time?
8:30.
8:30. 8:30 or 8:30. It's okay. And then where? In London Hotel. London Hotel. Address? Yes. So like in this conversation, which sentence is the inviting sentence? Inviting sentence, which one?
Would you like to come to it?
And this is inviting, right? Okay, everybody say, would you like to come?
Would you like to come?
Would you?
Would you?
Would you like?
Would you like?
So what does it mean, would you like? Say it in another way in English. Would you like is the same as? Very good. Do you want? Would you like to is the same as do you want to? Right? It's the same. But which is more polite?
Would you
Would
like?
you like to is more polite. Okay, everybody say again. Would you like to?
Would you like to?
Would you like to come to it?
Would you like to come to it?
Say.
So Kate is going to throw a birthday party next week, and she's going to be 17. She invited her friend Jeremy to come to her party, and she is going to have the party at Friday, but her birthday is on Wednesday. And the party will start at 8 p.m. on Friday next week. It is going to be at the Lantern
going to email
Hotel
you
near the
tomorrow.
town center.
So we use going to plus infinitive when we want to describe a future plan or the present action. Which one? Future plan. Listen carefully. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to leave Yangon. I'm going to leave Yangon tomorrow morning. So is it about now or future plan?
Future plan.
Right? When we talk about the future plans, we use be going to. Like tonight, I'm going to sleep early. This is my plan. I'm going to sleep early tonight because tomorrow morning I have school. So tonight I'm going to sleep early. So let's talk about that. Going to. I am going to eat. I'm going to or I'm going to.
I'm going to.
Don't forget I miss out, right? I am going to eat. I sleep. I'm going to sleep. She's going to sleep. We
are going to sleep.
Okay, next one. I leave Yangon.
I'm going to leave Yangon.
We
are going to leave Yangon.
So question. You go to Japan tomorrow?
I'm
Going to go to Japan tomorrow. Like that. She. Is she going to go to Japan tomorrow? And like that. You go to Pagoda tomorrow? Going to go to Pagoda tomorrow. What are you going to do at the party? Number 4.
What time is it going to start? Who are you going to invite? What are you going to treat your friends to?
No, I'm not free this day. I have my job.
Oh, but so are you free on Sunday?
Yes, I'm free Sunday. Why?
That day is my birthday, so would you like to come to my birthday?
Of course, I would like to. When are you going to have the party? One.
Oh, when I'm going to have the party at 8 a.m. Yeah, is it okay for you?
Yes, this okay.
Treat.
Yes.
I will going to treat to birthday cake. Yeah, birthday cake and ice cream, pizza and orange juice.
After party, we like to treat alcohol.
I think the party alcohol is I think is not cool and I don't like that. So but it's okay. We were going to go out and I hope we will have fun.
See you there.
Okay, bye bye.
Very good. Call me.
Would you like to come on my birthday?
Come to your birthday?
Yes. It is on Friday.
Oh, on Friday.
Are you
Wait,
free?
Wait, let me check. Oh, Friday. Yes, I'm free. I'm free. So what time is it going to start?
It's going to start at 3 p.m.
3 p.m. It's in the afternoon.
Yes.
Don't you think it's hot?
No, I don't think.
So, wait. Where is the party going to be?
It's going to have the party at Junction City in Music Box.
In the music box?
Yes.
Oh yeah. Can you sing?
Little bit.
But I can. So it's a great party for me. That's it. Thank you everybody. So I will give you homework. The homework is you need to write a birthday invitation card. Okay? Birthday invitation card. Invitation card. So for example, to who? To my lovely friends, blah blah blah. Right? So you can start like, dear my friend, you know my birthday is going to be tomorrow, blah blah, and then you can talk about your birthday plan. It's like an email. Right? It's not an email, it's a letter, invitation letter. All right? Talk about your plans, what are you going to do, and what are you going to need also. Like for example, that we are going to sing the whole day, but I don't have a Bluetooth speaker. I know you have a Bluetooth speaker. So can you bring your Bluetooth speaker, to the party? Something like that. And then you have to, in the end, you got to say, your lovely friend, blah, blah, blah. Like a letter. You know that, right? You know the letter format. So everybody, please write it and send it in the Telegram group. Thank you. Bye-bye. No, it's the right